Hi, in this video today I will guide you how to work with lead and lag in the ProjectLibre. Okay, so now here I will open the ProjectLibre tool and show you the demonstration. Okay, open this one and create new project. Okay. Okay, here, so I'm going to create a new project planning here just for demonstration. I will name it my lead. Okay. One, that, two, that, three, that's four, that's five. Okay, something like that. And the task 1 to task 5 will be the subtask of the my lead and lag project planning. Okay, as estimation, 2 days, 4 days, 6 days, 5 days. Okay, save it. Okay, and here, so for example, if we have some constraint like we will start the task number 1 first, and after that when we finish the task 1 we will finish the task number 2, and we will continue to work on task number 2. So here in the predecessor will be number 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So now here, when you take a look into the Gantt chart, you can see there are some red icon here. This is the critical part of the project planning. Okay. And what is the critical part? So the critical part is the shortest way to finish project on time. Okay. And here it is so here we didn't see any gap between each task here. So I will show you the demo for the lead time first. What is lead? Okay, so the lead time means if we for example the task number 2 and task number 3 here, it have some the relationship. We have to finish the task 2 in order to work on the task 3. Okay, but when we apply the lead, so what I mean, that means when we still work on the task number 2, we will start to work on the task number 3 as well. Don't wait until the task number 2 is finished. So here we have some constraint, like for example 3 fs mean finish to start. I will start it sooner, around 2 days, so I will minus it 2. Yes. Okay, so now here you can see the task number 2, it have duration is 4 days, and after it start around 2 days, we will also start the task number 3. Okay. Okay, and here when we finish the task number 2, we have 2 days completed for the task number 3. Okay, the same thing. This is the demonstration for the lead. And how about the lag? Okay, so the lag time in the project means we have to wait. We have a delay time to finish the task number 1 in order to work on the task number 2. Okay. So here for the task 4 and task 5, we have 5 days to finish the task 4, and after that when we finish the task 4, we work on the task 5. Yeah, I mean it work on the task 5 immediately after we finish the task 4. And for example, after we work on the task 4, we complete work on the task 4, we have to wait around 2 days to wait another team member to finish another task to so now we have a lag time between the task number 4 and task number 5. So here it should be 5fs minus 2 days. Yeah. So you can see here in the calendar we have Monday and Tuesday no work. Okay, this is a lag time. Okay, so I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to apply the lead and lag time into your project planning. I hope this video will helpful for you, and if you have any issue, let me know. I will try to answer you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and see you later.